Welcome to Liam's Chain Time.
Why did you get the bridge?
Because for my birthday.
It was your birthday present, right?
Yeah.
This was one of your favorite birthday presents, huh?
Mm-hmm.
This is really cool. What bridge is this?
The Brooklyn Bridge.
The Brooklyn Bridge. And this is a really, really cool bridge. Today we wanted to show you we want to show everyone the bridge and how compatible it is with some of our Brio Deluxe structures. Everything is wood. It's like solid wood right here. So it is a little heavy. It's definitely, it can be for kids. Older kids like you probably have to keep this away from your brother. I would not be as rough with this as one of these. This has fallen I don't know how many times, and I'm a little afraid for this to fall. But the detail on this bridge is so cool. Like, look at all the bricks all over. It is so very cool. What did we learn about the Brooklyn Bridge today? How old is it?
141.
141 years old. Isn't that old?
Yeah.
That's older than Papa.
Yeah.
Show me how the Q train works on the track. Oh, look at that. What's your favorite part of the bridge?
2 tracks.
The fact that it's 2 tracks. Let's lay down some tracks, right? This is a hill. And we're gonna connect the hill here. What happened? That's a hill. Obviously super easy, compatible with the hills. You can put 2 hills there. We also have our station. The station is a little shorter than the bridge itself. When I put down the straightaway, you can see that it kind of comes down on an angle.
I'm afraid it's gonna fall.
It's okay. Look at that. Whoa, that got so close to the edge. So we have hills. Hills are compatible. All the tracks are compatible. Compatible means that it works with the structure. These structures, like this will be true for all the Brio bridges because they're all pretty much the same height. And this has like this angle here. The Brooklyn Bridge connects Brooklyn to what borough? Do you know?
Queens.
No, it connects Brooklyn to Manhattan. What's underneath the bridge? Do you know?
Water.
Water, that's right. The Brooklyn Bridge goes over the East River. But for our track building, what are we gonna do? We're gonna put tracks underneath the bridge.
Yeah.
So the other thing we wanna show you is how compatible trains and tracks are underneath the bridge. We have here one of our subway trains. It's probably one of the taller, bigger trains that we have. It's definitely a lot bigger than some of our Brio trains. And I just want to show you how much headroom we have here. There's so much space between the bridge and the subway train so that you can have the train go underneath the bridge.
Yeah.
So now we can put tracks underneath the bridge. How fun is that?
Yeah, it's fun.
It's fun. So you want to go build a really fun track layout with this bridge?
Yeah.
That'd be fun?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's go do that. But we just learned that the Brooklyn Bridge, not this bridge, but the real Brooklyn Bridge is how old, Liam?
141.
141 years old. That's old. Well, we just gave you a great review on our Brooklyn Bridge that Liam got for his birthday, right? It's one of your favorite presents. And Liam wanted to build a whole track today, so we're gonna use our Brooklyn Bridge and all of our other Brio Deluxe set stuff. You lead the way, birthday boy.
Yeah.
Okay, so you figure out what you wanna do and I'll follow.
So I wanna put a hill right here. And then another hill on this side. 2 hills on this side.
Is this where you want to keep the Brooklyn Bridge, like this, or do you want to do it long ways? What way do you want to do it?
I want to do it.
Turn it around, okay. And you want to put it right here?
Yeah.
What about that side? What do you want to do?
I want to put another hill on the outside.
Another hill, okay. The number.
Actually, 8 or 9.
Ta-da. Hill.
I think we have 8. That's an even number.
I don't know if we have 8. 2 with the Brio Deluxe set, 2 with this set, and 2 with the cave. So we only have 6.
And 2 of the collapsing bridge.
Oh, you're right. So you're right. We have 8. So now we have hills. This one has a bridge, and hills on the rest.
And then a turn.
Turn.
And then I think another turn.
It's a good idea. It's okay.
A station.
Ooh, love it. Station there. You want to put a tunnel on that side?
Yeah, let's put a tunnel.
It's right there, kiddo. Ooh, love it. You know I love my express and my twist.
And
Okay.
then we go to that station. This one is gonna have a hill.
A hill. Ooh.
Whoops, other side.
Nice.
And this one is gonna stay down.
Okay, I see now. Like, where do you want to put this station? Where is this gonna go?
Somewhere
Over there? Here, you want to put it, just drop it over there so you know.
Okay, so this is the whole station.
Over here.
What's Godzilla?
There's a big monster. You have 2 tracks on this side, and now they're 2 separate tracks. So that would be good if you can connect them. Ta-da!
Thank you.
You're welcome. So you're gonna put that over here. I see what you want to do. You want to come down. And so, what's the goal over here? Oh, okay. It's like a long turn.
It's gonna be a squiggly, squiggly.
Oh, squiggly, squiggly. Oh, you want to connect those?
Yeah.
Oh, where's that big? You want to make 1 track. There you go, dude. Look at that. That looks great. Train. Oh, look at that. It fits.
Let's see.
Perfect.
Let's see if this.
Perfect.
Let's see if this one fits.
Amazing. Look at that. Fits underneath.
That one's there.
You want another one?
Oh.
Nice. Here's what you have to do. I think you just have to do something like this, okay?
That.
Well, don't worry. I think you need like the small turns. So see when you go like this, what do we need to do here? So this is
So like we.
give track.
Ta-da.
It's a little squished,
That's okay.
That's okay. Here, let's try a small turn. Okay. What if we try to figure this out? Like, put this here,
Oh yeah, that'll be great.
and this way you can loop this around this one.
Oh yeah, that's a great idea.
Let's try that. Yeah, I think we have to do something like this, and then use small turns. Perfect.
Breathing room work. Let's stay away.
This one. Is that one okay for space? Oh yeah, I guess that works. A little bit bigger. No, you're good. You could do that. Now, it's not as tall, but that's okay. All we gotta do is add another straightaway. That's all.
Oh yeah, that would be great.
See? Not too much modification.
That looks like it's. Whoa.
Last one for me. Whoa. Oh my gosh. This looks fantastic. All with our Brooklyn Bridge. Liam, this looks so good.
Yeah, it does.
You love it?
Yes, I do.
Want to play with it?
Yeah.
Okay, this is super cool.